Good day, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching this video today. I'll be talking about the uses of Listerine, and I'll focus on one particular thing that you can use Listerine for. Many of us just believe that Listerine is a mouthwash, and you just wake up in the morning after you've brushed your teeth, or the last thing at night, you gargle with it and you're good to go. Listerine is not only used for mouthwash. You can use Listerine for so many things. This is one of the variants of the Listerine, but most people use the blue version of the Listerine. Anyone you use is absolutely fine. I want to talk about how you can use Listerine for body odors. I'm not saying people have body odor, but you can even prevent it. Listerine is very good. Many people use deodorants, but sometimes, let's be sincere to ourselves, the deodorants might not work enough, but Listerine is very good because it helps to keep that odor at bay. If you're traveling or you're probably not around where you can easily freshen up, I'll advise you to grab a bottle of Listerine. It's very simple. Grab a bottle of Listerine, apply it on a cotton pad, and just use it under your hands and everywhere you want to apply your deodorant normally. This will help you to keep away body odors for at least 24 to 48 hours. It really works that way. But there's a clause: if you just shaved or you just waxed, I'll advise you not to use Listerine because it might tend to sting you and it might burn the skin on your underarm, so you don't want to apply it at that point. I'll advise you to wait a bit. You might want to apply some petroleum jelly to form as a barrier before you apply your Listerine. But Listerine works well for odors, to control body odors, more than sometimes some deodorants that we use out there. Many people use deodorants, but Listerine works wonders in helping to keep body odors at bay. So if you know anybody they are trying to even softly tell the person that, oh, this person has a body odor, you're going to do a great good to that person if you grab a bottle of Listerine and just stylishly tell them that, oh, okay, why don't you use Listerine? Why don't you apply it on a cotton pad and use it under your arm or something? It will help that person a great deal. Listerine works well for body odors. So this is my hack and my tip for today. If you enjoyed this video, kindly thumbs up and kindly comment on this video. Let me know the other things you've used Listerine for. I'll be welcome to share and to listen to whatever you have to tell me. Until I come your way next time, do stay beautiful. Bye.